If you've ever looked at a trade and thought, why the hell did I do that? You are not alone. Every blown account, every almost win that turned into a full loss, almost every regret in trading comes back to one habit. And fixing this one thing, it changed how I trade forever. Let's break it down. But before I do that, as a little intro about myself, I'm Kojak's Pro, a trader, and I've been at this game for over 3.5 years. Trading is not easy. Trading can be difficult. It's possible as a newbie trader to take series of losses in trades and think that you are not even getting the hang of it by the slightest bit. You might be in that spot and start looking up to people that you think that are making the best out of their trading career in terms of profits and in terms of consistency in trading. But that's not the case, because every trader's journey is grossly individualized. Moreover, it's naturally unhealthy to be comparing yourself to someone else because you don't know where they are. They might be at their level 30 in the game and you're just starting at your level 1 or 2. So you definitely can't be comparing both results and experiences at the same time. But the common denominator here, as far as Forex is concerned, is both the professional traders and the amateur ones all take losses. Now you know that. How can you then make yourself become a better trader? I'll show you just how to do it in this video. So stick around because you're not going to want to miss it. If you're new to the channel, do me a favor and hit the subscribe button right there. And without wasting so much time, let's get into the video. In trading, regret isn't about the loss. It's not even about being wrong. It's about violating your own plan. You see, that moment when you go rogue, that moment when you begin to overtrade or revenge trade, chase a setup or close positions too early out of fear, that's where regret lives. Because regret shows up when your actions don't match your values. You told yourself you were disciplined, but you let emotion win. And it stings. That sting is your inner trader calling you out. The number one habit behind almost every regretful trade is this: lack of pre-trade commitment. You enter without full commitment, half in, half out. You're trading from curiosity, fear of missing out, also known as FOMO, boredom, not clarity. It's like showing up to a fight without deciding if you actually want to win. And because you're not all in mentally, the second it moves against you, panic, second guessing, emotional override, that indecision before the trade guarantees regret after the trade. Build a no regret pre-trade checklist. And this is what it should look like. 1. Do I know exactly what would invalidate this setup? If you can't answer this, don't enter. 2. Does this trade fit my strategy and my trading conditions today? Because you should always match the setup to you, not the market. 3. Can I accept this trade failing without feeling emotional? If not, your risk is too high or your ego is too attached. 4. Have I written this setup down before pressing buy or sell? Commit to the trade with pen before you commit to it with capital. When I started doing this, something changed. I lost the urge to overtrade. I stopped tweaking stops mid-trade. I finally felt calm. Win or loss, no regrets, just data. Regret isn't random. It's the shadow of your own broken process. But the moment you commit, truly commit before the trade, you kill the regret before it even shows up. You can't control the outcome, but you can control your intent. One habit, one fix. Total shift. Start with commitment and regret disappears. Download the no regret entry checklist I personally use. Link in the description. It's free. And if you want to go deeper on trading discipline, check out this next video right here.